Hey everyone, is your kitchen always messy? No matter how often you organize it. The secret is not having a bigger kitchen. It's having smarter storage. Today, let's explore beautiful kitchen storage ideas that maximize space while making your kitchen look stylish and expensive. So, let's discuss these ideas. Deep drawer solution. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is relying on upper cabinets. Deep drawers can store pots, pans, plates, and kitchen tools more efficiently while keeping everything easy to reach. It also look very elegant and stylish and also give you a comfort in your kitchen. Now move to the next one. Next is vertical space magic. When floor space is limited, think vertically. Tall pantry cabinets and wall mounted organizer can dramatically increase storage without making the kitchen feel crowded. It also look very elegant and stylish. Next is hidden storage ideas. The most luxurious kitchen often hide their storage. Pull-out pantry systems, concealed appliances in garages, and hidden compartments create a sleek, clutter-free appearance. Next is very popular and trending open shelf styling. Open shelving is becoming increasingly popular because it combines storage with decoration. Beautiful dishes, plates, and jars become part of the overall kitchen design. It looks very stylish and elegant too. Next is small kitchen hacks. Even the smallest kitchen can feel organized with smart storage planning. Corner pull-out, ceiling cabinets, and multi-purpose furniture can maximize every inch of available space. It's look very cozy and stylish. So friend, let's organize your kitchen beautifully. Great kitchen design is not about having more space. It's about using space more intelligently. Whenever you prefer hidden storage, deep drawers, or stylish open shelving, the storage solution can completely transform your kitchen and you use your kitchen very comfortably. Now tell me which storage idea was your favorite. Let me know in the comment section and subscribe for more modern home decor, kitchen design and interior inspiration. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.